candy, rock candy, rock candy, rock candy, rock candy. Not that kind of rock. The materials needed are sugar daddy, Popsy Kelly, water lily, clip, clip. So, the first step in this experiment is to make sugar solution in the pot. Put 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, and mix them together until they are thoroughly mixed.
We have a popsicle. Put inside the water and roll in the sugar. Put aside until dry.
While waiting for the sticks to get dry, place the pot on the stove and mix the solution. When the solution boiled, mix it rapidly until the sugar dissolves, and after that, you can add food coloring and flavoring.
Put the solution into the glass and let it cool for 10 minutes and put the stick inside of the glass with a clip. Set it aside for a day. As it cools, crystals will begin to grow in the stick.
Gently remove the stick and put it in a new glass and let it dry.
Hi guys, Gio here. So now, I'm gonna explain our experiment in a more scientific way. So what is solubility? Solubility is the ability of a substance to combine with another substance and form a homogeneous solution. First, the mixture is in room temperature. Solubility is not enough to dissolve the sugar, but when we boil the mixture, the temperature increases, making the solubility high enough to dissolve all sugar in the mixture. That's what you call supersaturated solution, when the sugar dissolved is more than room temperature. After we let the mixture cool again, its solubility gets low, making the sugar precipitate with crystal sugar. Sugar molecules intend to attach with another sugar molecules, and that's what happens in the experiment. The release of crystal sugar is attracted by the stick, hence crystallization. I hope you learned something from our experiment, guys, and as always, thank you for watching.